Numberblock fans! In today's video, we're going to exploring our Numberblocks bigger numbers from 207 to 209 or 201 to 299 part 3. Well, for my purpose, I want everyone to know all of the math skills. Alright, let's exploring our Numberblock 207. 207 has 200 light orange blocks. I don't have orange tone blocks, that's why I use the peach blocks instead. We build 207. First, we build 200 by laying 20 by 10 rectangle formation and 7 blocks on the top. Actually, I want to make the 207 as 9 by 23 rectangle formation. But the camera couldn't catch the 23 blocks tall. It catch only 12 to 13 blocks tall only. Well, we're going to build 200 first. 6. Alright, we got 100 blocks, so we need another 100 to make 200. Well, that's because 200 is 2 lots of 100. So, 207, but I say that made out of 9 lots of 23s, right? And also 3 lots of 69s. Well, that's why I designed the Numberblock 207 wear sunglasses and include the 69 shaped eye because she is a super rectangle, not a super duper rectangle at all. It'd be like this. Oh my gosh, the bigger numbers, it's a bit hard to build, but that's okay. We're going to meet 207 early. We're going to meet Numberblock 207 soon. Here is another 100. So we add together. We got 200. Let's add 7 blocks more to make 207. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. Let's add the face stickers all together. Right, let's see her face and her features. First, we got the 69 shaped eyes because the numbers which can be divided by 69 should has the she has the 69 shaped eye and also wear the sunglasses because some of the footballers wears the 69 shirt, a t-shirt, right? Alright, here's the mouth and here also the eyebrows. The Numberblock 207 has violet features, and this is because to represent the Numberblock 7. Because we got 7 rainbow blocks in a whole 207. And we also got a sign, chromosome is represent the Numberblock 23. 23 pairs of chromosomes. So 23 lots of 9s are 207. And don't forget the numbering 207. Here's our Numberblock 207. Alright, let's build 208. 208 is one more than 207. Well, we need 200 orange tone blocks and 8 pink blocks. Let's count by 50s. 50, 100. So we got 100. So here's another 50. And then another 100. So we got 200. And then we put attached to each other like this. And 208 is made out of 16 lots of 13s, which means he's the he's the unlucky number, 16th member of the unlucky club or falling apart club. And then we build 8 pink blocks horizontally and put it evenly at the right and at the corner. Right, let's attach the face sticker all together. Alright, let's attach the face sticker all together. This sticker is stickier than the old one. Well, 208 has pink features. One for his left eye and one for his right eye. And he is a super duper rectangle, that's why he has the rectangle eyes. He has so many divisors, or he can make so many rectangles, but he's the member of the unlucky club, if the most important one. Well, 208 is very unlucky because he split into 16 13s, or 13 lots of 16s. Well, 208 is very cheerful to be himself. Anyways, here's the clover to represent the unlucky club. And I put the times 16 to represent that he can split into 13 lots of 16. Alright, don't forget his numbering 208. Let's go to the last character. Last but not least is 209. Let's build 209. First, we build 200 blocks. And then we build 100 blocks more to make 200. This is the another 100, not replay. You know that? This is another 100. This is the previous 100, and this is the another 100. It has so many blocks, but I will struggle it. Alright, I'll build 40 blocks more to make another 100, because 60 plus 40 is 100. I can't put it in there. Another 100. Let's attach the two 100s on all together, like this. 200 blocks are finished. Why do I always ugly? Well, anyways, don't think about it. We build 9 blocks put it overall like that. Let's attach the face sticker all together. Well, 209 has one big rectangle eye and one small rectangle eye, and this is to represent 11, because the 209 can split into 19 lots of 11s. But wait, did you hear that? 19 lots of 11s? Yes, which means he can also be 11 lots of 19s. That's why 209 has the crazy shaped eyebrows. Just like that. And then we attach the small eyebrow that represent the 209 can divide it by 11 is 19 lots of 11s. And there's the numbering 209. And this is the end of today's video about exploring the big number blocks from 207 to 209. Which one do you like the most? 207, 208, or 209? Please leave the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to my to see more new videos in my YouTube channel. So see you again next time. Bye bye.